Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to create something delicious together.
She turns on the stove and slowly pours oil into the heavy pot. The oil begins to warm as sliced onions wait nearby, ready to build the base of our curry. The onions slide into the hot oil and she stirs patiently, watching them soften and turn golden, releasing a sweet aroma that fills the kitchen. Now ginger garlic paste goes in, followed by red chili, turmeric and coriander powder. The spices bloom instantly, sizzling gently as the color deepens and the fragrance becomes bold and inviting. Fresh meat is added to the pot and she stirs carefully, coating every piece with the rich masala. The meat begins to seal in flavor as oil slowly separates. Chopped tomatoes are added next, bringing moisture and balance. She cooks them down slowly until the masala thickens and turns into a deep, rich gravy. She pours in warm water and lets the curry simmer quietly. Bubbles rise gently as the flavors come together, creating a comforting traditional Massaman curry. At the end, she garnishes with fresh green coriander and lifts the bowl with pride. A simple, delicious Massaman curry ready to be served warm and enjoyed.